Hey guys, it's me about. Today we haven't watched we were saying watch YouTube poop the tunnels of the ghosty tray or tunnels mustard with a for what? I don't know, but anyway, so yeah, you guys better just watching this first video tells YouTube poop. This is way before this first one of the moments. But anyway, so I guess no it's time, let's get started. Here we go. Okay. It was Windows. It was Windows. Wales? What the heck? What the heck? Love the quiet of Misty Island. No, Thomas must be careful of rocks. But sometimes. Wait. Cyril the Fogman has a very important job. He puts Cheerios on the tracks. Cheerios? Oh, that night at the show. What the heck? Had something special to show the engines. It was strange things. It warns you when there's fog ahead, like this. Oh, okay. Alright, hold on. I feel like we be good at this, but I want you to turn it down because that thing I noticed is too loud. So I can take it to do it. So wish you luck, guys. Wish you luck. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's not. Okay, okay, close enough. Okay, it's not too bad noise, but I really know that sound. This is a little bit stupid noise. I'm making noise with that, but whatever. It did this. Oh gosh, what the heck is that? Oh, crashing. Bam. What the heck? Is this flying? Leave it to me. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. He's over. Alright, this is a little bit short video, but you guys are fun and just watch this. So you guys are liking this video. Hit the like what's up. You guys don't like me too much. Hit the guys hit this your subscribe button. And you guys you talk about it in the comments, hit the comments button. So yeah, so anyway, so see you guys. Bye.